励んでいる。放射砲。戦野に伝える放射砲隊の腕はさえ、撃墜敵機の数は増えている。
南北両軍に分かれて空陸一帯攻防の精髄を発揮する。来たらば来たれ、我に鉄壁の備えあり。前線の大空は我々の手で守ろう。米英撃滅のその日まで敵機監視の任務を積んでいる。
Do you live down this way?
No, that way.
That way?
Yeah.
So this four-wheel drive won't get to the guns?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
One way here, this coastal side here.
Yeah.
One is the highway.
Yep.
Yeah. We'll just come and transfer here, get one of the vehicle here. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, just in here.
From this part, this one here. So.
So we're just going to transfer to another vehicle to go up to the 3 guns. Looks like it might be here. So this one?
Yep.
Yep.
Under the ever watchful eye of the Maker, the life asleep inside the ground awakens.
Yeah.
So they here first set up and they put all this. Yeah.
So what would they be firing at? Planes?
Planes.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
The Americans trying to land and yeah. But I think the American knew how to track them down and they I think one of the something here. I think the bullets or something right through here. Here, see? See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, bullets from a plane.
From the plane, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We managed to kill them.
Just in here.
Yeah, we got the target.
Yeah. Yeah.
For so long they struggled and yeah.
Yep.
So these two powerful things, I think they're sitting here and
Yeah.
yeah. So this is one of the base.
They missed this one.
Yeah, I think they missed this one.
Yep. What's that? The First World War, was it? Second World War?
I think the Second World War.
Yeah.
Yeah.